Unlock the power of personalization. Learn the easy steps to rename your Windows 11 PC and make it truly yours. Let's get started. Elect the settings icon, and in the following window, make sure System is selected from the left pane. Then on the right side, simply scroll down until you find an option called About, and select it. In here, you'll see the current computer name, and next to it, a button called Rename this PC. Just click it, and in the next prompt type in your name, after which you'll be asked to restart your PC. Now, the PC restarted, so if we go back to the About section, you will see the name changed. But if for some reason this method doesn't work, click the Windows button, then type in CMD and run command prompt as an administrator. Then in the following window, firstly type hostname to make sure you have the current name of your PC. Then type in or copy-paste the following command line. You will also find it in the description below. In my case, I'm replacing the current PC name, as this is my current name, and I will rename it within the new PC name spot. You will see the procedure was successful.